The interesting thing about POV is that it lives up to the name in the sense that there are different point of views being represented at the festival. And I think actually that discourse between different practices and different approach to design is very inspiring.
All the seats were full. Amazing reception, like lots of clapping and like a really good response.
My first expressions of Budapest, it's a very vibrant, beautiful city. I really love the architecture. It's really classic. There's a lot of like beautiful nuance in all the buildings.
I think we sometimes tend to be a bit defensive about our own work, or a little bit maybe at times insecure, which is completely normal. But I think reaching out to other people and building those networks, building warmth, knowing each other really, really helps on so many levels.